Greetings and salutations and welcome to another Inventor video. Today we're going to be looking we're going to be continuing on the Toolbar series, and we're going to go into 3D model, which is technically in front of Sketch, but you need sketches to actually model, so it's made sense just to go before them. So if you start on the 3D model tab, you have start sketch, which then leads you into the sketch. Then have what are called primitives, which are just defaults. So if I wanted to make a box, I can literally just select any plane and I can just select it to make 100 by 100, and it'll then automatically extrude it, and that's a quick and easy way to make a box. The second way, we're going to extrude. Just takes a closed loop like the circle here and extrudes it, gives it a third dimension to it. Revolves, a little bit different. Just need to make a minor modification, and we're just going to add that, and we're just going to make that a midline. Just because now revolve now it thinks, you got a midline, except if it wasn't multiple places, and click. Oh, it wants to fail today. Okay, right. Instead, what we can do is we can instead adapt it. And instead, we'll just drop an arc. Now, it doesn't have to be a circle, it can literally be anything you want to rotate, but I'm just going to choose 50, click OK, finish sketch, and click revolve, and there you go. It just wants to work now. And click OK, and there you go, one sphere. Now that's all pretty fine and good. Let's just add it back in the whole circle. I'm actually going to take that pesky midline out because it will cause problems later. Right. Next part you go into is sweep. Sweeps is a special kind of extrude. It instead takes a profile like extrude, but instead sweeps it and it kind of extrudes it along that path. So if I just select, I selected two planes. My mistake. Let's actually just select the actual point, and we'll just check that plane. Click. There we go. Now we actually have a plane to work on, and you can just grab a line and you can literally drop it at any angle. Okay, finish sketch and sweep. Takes profile path. A lot of time can even automatically do it. You've got other options in here. You've got path. You can use guide rails, surfaces. You can taper it down. You can make it thinner at the end, you can make it wider at the end, you can also put twists, so you can make candy canes, other cool features like that. But for now we're just going to delete that, and we're actually just going to turn the visibility of that off. And now we're going to move it into lofts, which are more like transitions. So now if I just actually enable this, I made this one earlier. So here I've just got two different points, and you can literally just select the circle, select that, and it will transition it into like make a cone. However, it's completely adaptable, so I can make that like 250 and it'll just stretch it. I can make it really small and I can make it 50. Yeah, planes, parameters. Coils, a little bit different in that we're literally going to, let's just actually just delete the sketch, and I'm going to delete some sketches to make it a little bit more clean. Right, so if we just start on here, coil is special in that you need to basically, so if we set up points here and then we set our actual what we want to coil, so let's just say Python all that circle there, click OK, click finish, and then we actually go onto right base. And we just start sketch on here. What I can essentially do is I can just select, well, here's a path, click OK, click finish, click coil. That could be the axis. That's what it says, it's taken the profile and it's now coiling it around here, but what you need to then go is you see I can flip it using the axis button. I can also change the rotation of it. And I could also say I want it to be, I don't know, If I want to make an intersection curve, I can change the output to a set. So we're going to leave it aside. Coil size, pitch is like the gap between it, revolution is how many times you go around, and taper is obviously if it gets thinner. But you can also do different types. You've also got spiral ones, so spiral out. So you can say you want to do, I don't know, 10 spirals, you can do that. But you can obviously go into revolution and height. So you can just say, oh, I want my height to be 200. There you go. It's coil. Bish bash bosh. Pretty simple. Emboss, drive, riv, decal, and import covered in the second part to this. So I'll see you in the next episode.